What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add the logout link to your WordPress header navigation menu. So imagine that you have a shop or a website that needs member to access. However, WordPress don't give you the logout link yet. Okay, so how to apply the logout link to this navigation menu? This is what we're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, you have to take the URL of your logout link. Go to your WordPress dashboard, review the upper right corner of your screen where there is your name and your picture, and there, if you hover your mouse over this section right here, you're gonna be able to see your name, edit profile, and log out. Click with the right button of your mouse over the logout link and use the copy link address button, okay? So you can copy the link. After this, I'm gonna give you two ways to apply your logout link to the navigation menu, using the block WordPress themes and using the classic WordPress themes. Let's start with the block themes. On the WordPress left sidebar of menus, on dashboard, hover mouse over appearance and click on editor. Now click on navigation, the first option on the design tab. Now click into any section of your menu, for example right here. Click again, you're going to be able to see an edit option right here. Click on the edit. Now find the buttons between the options, okay? Hover a mouse over some menu heading and there is a plus button. Click on it. Enter the URL. Click on link. Now we're gonna need to change the title, okay? Just like this. Click on the pencil. Log out. Well, we have the logout link on our menu. Simple, right? And click into the upper right corner of our screen into save and click on done to save your change. And now you have the WordPress menu with the logout link. Simple, easy, and effective. Now let me change it to a classic WordPress theme so I can show you the process into another theme. Once again, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance, and click on menus now, okay? Now right here, we're gonna select our main menu. In my case, it's this menu right here. Now, all I have to do is review this middle sidebar, add menu item, scroll down, and we have custom links. URL, we're gonna enter the URL we have copied, and the link text, we're gonna type log out. Add menu. We're gonna set this menu to be the primary menu of our site and save menu. And we have the menu with our logout link. Simple, easy, and very effective. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install, you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.